Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to program a new key fob for a Hyundai Tucson. This is a 2023, but it's relevant for all Hyundai key fobs. We did in this case the all keys lost option, which is a necessary step required to program new keys. And then we reprogrammed all the old key and the new key. This is how it's actually done on site by one of our affiliated locksmith, and this is what you will have to do in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all Hyundai key fobs and transponder keys. If you have any questions, please comment below and we will answer. Thanks for watching.
Hello everybody, we are working on a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. We are programming in a new key for the customer. He's got a working key, so we're going to add one, but since we're adding one in, we're going to have to erase all the keys off the system anyway. Keyless system, remote control learning. This is a push to start. Hazard lights are on. Going to ask us for a PIN code, which I have. All right, confirm the key sensing area. All right, after pressing OK, I have to hit the push to start button with the remote. So just like that. Program succeeded. Do you want to do another one? Yes, same thing. Hold it like that, up against the push to start button. Program succeeded, and we do not want to do another one. And that's it. Job is complete. There we go. Buttons work. Thanks for watching, guys. 2023 Hyundai Tucson, how to program the vehicle.